Peace, my beautiful souls. I'm just spending some time outside before I have to go to work today. And I'm with my family today, my husband and my best friend and her husband. They're walking further out, and I just really wanted to stop here because there's these beautiful blue flowers and beautiful dandelions, and I just was like, I want to stop here. So my shoes are off, and I'm just soaking up the sun before I have to go in today. It's so gorgeous outside. If anybody knows what kind of little flowers these are, let me know. They're so beautiful. And I'm very tempted to pick these dandelions to make tea with, but my sister in Malaysia made a good point, and she was like, these are basically treated with pesticides, you know? It's not like the best because this grass is treated. But if you guys see dandelions and they're more of the wild dandelions you find in like the woods, I would say pick them and you can drink it for tea. Dandelion's so good for tea, so look up dandelion root if you can. Do your research on that, it's amazing. I just think this is so beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. All the beautiful green. It's life. Is it just me? Or is this like the most beautiful like sprout right now? This is where our house is. This is a beautiful pathway. Those are my shoes over there. Beautiful pathway near our house that we like to walk on. And yeah, beautiful scenery back here when it's nice out. This is actually just a message I wanted to quickly get across to you guys for the start of your week. Woo. Hi, Bumblebee. You have to remember, you have no intentions of harming nature, so it won't harm you, okay? So don't be scared of bumblebees, at least the big fat ones. But just a quick reminder to take time for you. When I say that kind of stuff in my videos, this is what I'm talking about. This is a moment for myself right now. And it feels so good. It feels so good to just be by myself, listening to the birds chirping and soaking in the sun and kind of charging up. This is what I mean. This is one of the things I mean when I say take a moment for yourself, take time for yourself. You may not be into this, but if you are and you have the time, get outside where there's sunshine, sit in the grass, go for a little walk. It doesn't have to be something extravagant every time, but definitely take time for you. I feel so good. And it's cool because my best friend and her husband slept over last night. We had like a movie night, date night, and we had breakfast together this morning. Her and I cooked for everybody. We made beautiful breakfast wraps, lots of green, lots of veggies, and I don't have to go work. I don't have to go to work until later. And I said, do you guys want to go outside for a walk? And my sister, she was like, yes, let's go. So we got our men together, we got everybody together, and we're on a beautiful walk together today. I'm so thankful for this. Like, so thankful. This means the most to me. It really does. It makes my heart happy. And I'm just grateful for everything, for having people in my life that want to go on walks, that really enjoy just life itself. So I'm thankful to you guys. I'm trying to look where I walk, because there are dogs out here and you never know. beautiful lush green. Is that them? Look at them walking in the woods. Not the woods, really. We're in an apartment complex. I spy with my little brown eyes a beautiful black man in red. And a beautiful, beautiful married couple that I want to get to know. They look cool. Hey! Hi! Hey! Hello! You guys look cool. Who are you? Hi! I'm such a cornball. I love them to death. Hey, beautiful people. A yellow?
It was like yellowy green.
Really?
As you walk.
Yeah. My hair looking all half cray.
No, your hair looks amazing, honey.
Looks crazy.
Thumbs up if you love my husband's hair.
Crazy.
I thumbs it up, bitches.
I woke up that morning. I woke up that morning. What's I get though?
Hey!
Yo, this man Caleb Brown is that dude, yo. For this song. Check it out. It's called Westside Get That Money.
Westside Get That Money, Caleb Brown.
But it's basically spelled W money sign G T money sign. Caleb Brown.
Honey, who do you love?
Huh?
Who do you love?
What am I doing?
Who do you love?
You.
We're gonna make babies today.
Ooh, love that booty. Love that booty. Love that booty.
You guys are so cute. Get her! Get her! Get her!
Felix. Hey, Felix.
Love me. I just want you to love me.
Yes.
It's heavy.
Damn, look at that ass. It's a good one.
Oh,
Pick
it's
a
a
good
good
one.
one. It's the good one.
Sorry.
Why did you get the shit?
It's something hard went in my shoe, that's all.
Oh, so we just gonna make this right and then go back
How
in?
pretty, y'all.
Right here?
Hi, my sissy.
Hi, sissy. How's it going?
I was saying how thankful I was that I had people around me that want to like enjoy life like this.
But you're going to leave me.
Yeah.
And then what's gonna happen? Then what? Now you gotta make new friends, and I don't. That's just not easy to do. Okay?
You're gonna come visit me.
I'm just gonna shrink myself, and you're gonna put me in your pocket, and I'm gonna come with you.
Yes. Oh, yeah, Felix. She's leaving with us the day we leave.
Yep. Bye.
And you're coming too.
I'm like bye, and you're like
I
you're
don't want to
coming
leave
too.
her. I don't. By the way, y'all see her new earrings? If you guys don't know, this is the person I always say makes my jewelry. My dope ass necklace I got from her, my newest piece. Yep, this is her. This her. Make sure you follow her on Instagram and Facebook. I will leave her information below my description. Follow her. You see all her jewelry. If you want a custom piece or you like anything you see, she's the woman.
Hello, beloved. Hello.
She adorns me with all my crystal pieces. Oh, and I got a bracelet on from her too. And we got waist beads. You want to show our waist beads today? Hey.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, I have a little one. I could go pew, 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 pew.
Oh, goodness.
So yes, enjoying this fresh air today.
Woo!
So beautiful.
I should have like wore something not as heavy.
I'm hot now too.
I literally thought it was gonna be one of those mindfuck weathers.
Where
It was like nice yesterday.
it looks nice.
And I thought it was gonna be like freezing cold today. So I was like, yeah, I'll just bring something in the middle. Now I'm hot.
I know. It feels like spring today officially.
Yeah,
Birds are out.
it's about damn time.
My pants are falling down. You got your squishy?
Squishy,
Squishy.
squishy.
You're squishy.
I got my squishy.
Look at his cool ass samurai bun, yo. He has the most perfect buns all the time. It doesn't go anywhere.
The Dominican samurai.
He needs to teach me how to make a bun like that. We have the same hair type, huh?
Yeah, nearly about.
Yeah.
Mine's just a little curly.
Yeah. It's so beautiful.